Fix Everything back with you today. It is pouring today. A couple of days ago we had a pretty big blow, lost a tree over my neighbor's driveway, and I was out there for probably close to 4 hours with the Husqvarna 142. This is a very basic chainsaw, 16-inch bar, very simple to operate. It's lucky I didn't damage something here because when I was finished, I had some pretty good chain sag. And I'm sure anybody that owns a chainsaw probably already knows this, but maybe you're new to chainsaws, and I'm going to show you how to tighten this up so it is not a danger to you. This is the left side, obviously. Pull cord, fuel, bar and chain oil. Make sure that's always got bar and chain oil so this stays lubricated. Otherwise, this is going to get awfully hot and you'll have premature chain wear. Right side, chain guard. There's a clutch in here. So to tighten the chain, because this is way too loose, there's a tensioner adjustment right here, a little screw. But before that can work, these two nuts have to just be loosened. So this gives us a little play in here. Just enough to let this move when you adjust it. So when I turn this screw clockwise, watch what happens to the chain. It's rising up to meet the bar. And I don't know if there's any kind of gauge that you need to gauge, but it should have a little play just so it doesn't jump the track. That's maybe a little bit more. You don't want it so tight that it doesn't move and the engine is straining, but you don't want it so loose where it's flopping around either all over the place. That seems to me just about right. Awesome. That's really it. Just got to tighten the nuts back down. Awesome. Should just replace this bar. It's really hammered, but it still works. I've got a worn spot right in the front here. But I've had this saw for, God, 15 years. Still runs like a top. It's the Husqvarna 142. Very common. I still think they make it today. And it's very handy, especially if you've got trees on your property. This bar is just enough for the girth of the trees that I have. Probably should upgrade as the trees grow over the years, but love this saw. It works very well. It's very safe, very easy to handle, and it doesn't weigh much at all. Hope that helped in some way. Thanks for tuning in to Fix Everything. It was a short one today, but always trying to help people fix stuff. Make sure that they don't have to spend any money that they don't need to. I really appreciate all the support. Thank you so much for the great comments. Good, bad, or indifferent. Been watching the World Cup. That has been an experience. So happy that people coming over from across the pond are thrilled with the United States. Happy to have them here. It's just been awesome watching all the clips from all the games. Hope you're having some fun today. Thanks again for tuning in. God bless.